Today in the GoSun kitchen, red curry beef with butternut squash. Your ingredients: butternut squash, beef, squid brand fish sauce. The stinkier this is, the better. Here it's got coconut milk, chicken stock, and that was the red curry paste. We don't make that, believe me, it's a pain in the ass. Chopping butternut squash, pretty exciting. Here we go, cutting up beef, one of my favorite things to do. Just try to trim some of the fat away, toss it aside. We're going to actually make our lunch in here too. As you see, once you get some lean bits, cut it into nice little cubes, set it aside. We'll toss that all together and it's going to cook up succulent and delicious. This is chuck roll. It's actually like a pot roast cut, so it's really good for braising. If you sear it really rare, like that steak you see right there, that's lunch. It's actually delicious. Tons of flavor, tons of marbling. Toss that all in your insert. Top it with your red curry coconut fish sauce stock mixture. That's it. Slide it in. Here's the magic. I wish you could smell the aroma because it smells like Thailand, where I got dysentery once. GoSun red curry beef with butternut squash.